Friends, let's start with the drawing. Draw a text or emoji or something if you want to make a stamp. And I had drawn some text and I have cut in them. So here are the pieces and here is a foam sheet. Let's stick this pieces onto the glue, onto the foam sheet with the gum fevistick. Let's stick it, and now we will cut the foam sheet. We will cut the outline borders of it. Let's cut. Friends, finally I have cut these pieces. So I have cut these pieces in reverse. So let's stick them to the foam sheet. We will have sticken this to the foam sheet. So you may be think there is no holder to stamp things. So let's make a holder also. Let's start. Okay, here you go. Let's take these foam cubes. Yeah, these are foam cubes. So you can take a pipe. This pipe is from Meow Pen refill pipe. You can take a stick or you can take a empty refill also. So let's insert this in this hole. I make a hole in this. I made a hole in these cubes so that I can insert them easily. So let's do this. So here you go, and I had made this. I had inserted the pipe inside. So now I'm going to cut this black pipe, and I'm going to stick this holder to the stamp. So let's do that. Okay, let's start. Okay, and also I'm going to cut this extra piece of stamp. So let's do that. So now I have finally made this, and this is looking so cool. So I stick holder with using a gum. So that's over. So cool, looking so cool, and we will try by stamping it. So this looks so cool.